Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to download and install Microsoft Teams on your device so you can get started quickly. On your Windows PC, click the Start menu and in the search bar type Teams. As you type, the app should appear in the list of results so you can open it. If the icon doesn't appear in your search results, you'll need to download it using your internet browser. Simply open your browser and search for Microsoft Teams Download. Click on Download and you will be redirected to the Microsoft Teams page. On the page, click on Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. A file will be downloaded. Once you open it, Microsoft Teams will install and be ready to use on your device. As a first-time user, it might take you a few seconds to get started. The application is now ready to use. You can sign in and get started right away. Let's go back to the search bar for those who have Microsoft Office pre-installed. The startup process will be exactly the same for both versions. Search for Microsoft Teams in the search bar, then click to open it. Click on the Sign In button to access your Microsoft Teams account, and log in using the credentials provided by your school or organization. Enter your password. When prompted, if you want to use the same account across all Microsoft 365 apps on this device, choose Yes. If you only want to use this account in Microsoft Teams, choose No. Microsoft Teams is now ready for use. Let's explore its features. When you log into Microsoft Teams for the first time, it will ask for permission to access your precise location. Click Yes to allow location to set the correct calendar time by clicking Yes. Then when prompted to allow camera access, click Yes, so you can use it during video calls. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar that gives you access to key features such as activity, chat, calendar, calls, and more. By default, it usually shows activity, all your notifications, mentions, replies, reactions. Chat, private or small group conversations with individual people. Calendar, where you see and join meetings and classes. Calls, to make voice or video calls. OneDrive, your personal cloud storage space that lets you store, access, and share your files with internet access. Copilot, an AI assistant that can help you summarize or find things. The Meet icon allows you to host or join meetings directly within the app. By default, chat and channels are mixed together in one combined view, which can be confusing because it shows private conversations and class discussions in the same list, and it becomes messy and hard to navigate if you have many classes and group chats. To fix this, go to the three dots next to the profile picture and choose Settings. On the left navigation bar, choose Chats and Channels. Then click on Separate. This will put chats in their own space and channels or teams in a different space. After fixing this settings, the Chat and Teams windows will open in different tabs, allowing you to manage conversations and team activities more efficiently. In the next video, we'll explore how to create or join a team in Microsoft Teams. To make sure your camera and microphone are working before the meeting, go again to the settings. Choose Devices and test your equipment. Check your audio settings and microphone to ensure they're working properly. You can also make a test call to confirm everything is set up correctly by clicking on Make a Test Call. To return to the main page, click on the activity icon or any other icon in the left-hand sidebar. If you're on a shared or public computer, Sign out for security by clicking your profile picture on the top right and selecting Sign Out. If you're on your personal computer, you can stay signed in to receive all notifications. For more video tutorials, visit our YouTube channel.